What I love most about a bechamel sauce is not only is it one of the easiest of the mother sauces to make, but it is so good with just a hint of black ground pepper and fresh nutmeg. It truly transforms even the most basic dishes into a rich and creamy meal. This sauce is divine, layered into a lasagna, stirred into spinach, or drizzled over a rotisserie chicken. I've included these recipes and more like them in the next section. This recipe makes about 2.5 cups, and if that's not enough, that's okay. This is an easy recipe to double, and if that's too much, just put whatever's left over in an airtight container and it keeps great in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Now, an easy way to remember how to make bechamel is 2, 2, and 2.5. 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 2.5 cups of milk. And that's the base. Next, you'll need a little seasoning: a clove, a bay leaf, about a quarter of an onion, salt, pepper, and some fresh ground nutmeg. We're going to start by making what's going to thicken the sauce. That's called a white roux. To do this, melt 2 tablespoons butter in the saucepan over low heat. After the butter has just melted, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of flour and whisk. As the flour bubbles, the pasty raw flour taste is being cooked off. In 1 to 2 minutes before it starts to change color, continue to whisk and pour in 2.5 cups milk. Bring this to a boil, stirring constantly. Reduce the heat to a simmer, add a bay leaf, 1 clove, and a quarter onion. Cover and simmer for 15 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then add ½ teaspoon salt, ground pepper, and a quarter teaspoon nutmeg. These flavors should be subtle and not dominate the sauce, so go ahead and taste it and adjust the seasoning to how you like it. Take the bay leaf, clove, and onion out, throw them away. Now your bechamel sauce is ready. If you're not going to use it right away, drizzle melted butter over the top to prevent a skin from forming, and of course, you can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days in an airtight container. Some of my favorite bechamel dishes are cauliflower gratin, scalloped potatoes, lasagna with a layer of creamy bechamel, and you'll find those recipes and more in the section below.